Hello everyone, myself is Rohit Kumar. I am pursuing Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Janssen Institute of Technology. Now I'm going to explain about rhodium metal. The founder of rhodium metal was William Hyde Wollaston. Rhodium was discovered in 1803 by William Hyde Wollaston. Rhodium is the rarest of all non-radioactive metals. It occurs uncommon in nature, along with other platinum metals, in river sands in South America. It is also found in copper nickel sulfide ores of Ontario, Canada. Rhodium is obtained commercially as byproduct of copper and nickel refining. Next, we will see the extraction of rhodium. The first step is extraction. Extracting rhodium from the ore is precipitating metals such as gold, silver, palladium, and platinum. The precipitate is dissolved in hydrochloric acid and the solution is heated until the residual contaminants are burned off, leaving behind the pure rhodium metal. The symbol of rhodium metal is Rh and the atomic number is 45. It is a rare silver-white or corrosion-resistant and chemically inert transition metal. It is a noble metal and a member of platinum group. It has only one naturally occurring isotope, Rh103. Naturally occurring rhodium is usually found as free metal, as an alloy with similar metals, and rarely as chemical compound in minerals such as biovite and rhodoplumbsite. It is one of the rarest and most valuable precious metals. Precautions also be considered while handling the rhodium metal. Rhodium stains the skin very strongly. It is flammable. Routes of exposure. The substance can be absorbed into the body by inhalation of its aerosol. Inhalation risk also there in rhodium metal. Effects of exposure to the substance have not been investigated. Insufficient data are available on the effect of this substance on human health. Therefore, utmost care must be taken. At the discovery, the rare element had only minor application. For example, by the turn of century, rhodium-containing thermocouples were used to measure temperature up to 1,800 degrees Celsius. They have exponentially good stability in the temperature range of 1,300 to 1,800 degrees Celsius. The first major application was electroplating for decorative uses and as corrosion rediment of rhodium. The previous catalytic converters used platinum and palladium. Isotopes of rhodium. Naturally occurring rhodium is composed of only one isotopes, 103 Rh. The most stable radioisotopes are 101 rhodium with a half-life of 3.3 years, 102 rhodium with a half-life of 207 days, 102 milli Rh with a half-life of 2.9 years, and 99 Rh with half-life of 16.1 days. Catalytic uses. Rhodium catalysts are used in number of industrial processes, notably in catalytic carbonylation of methanol to produce acetic acid by monosonato process. It is also used to catalyze addition of hydrolysations to molecular double bonds, a process important in manufacture of certain silicon rubbers. Rhodium catalysts are also used to reduce benzene to cyclohexane. Use of rhodium in power plants. The complex of a rhodium ion in BiNAP is widely used in chiral catalyst for chiral synthesis, as in the synthesis of rhodium is a fission product of uranium-235. Used nuclear fuel is therefore potential source of rhodium, but the extraction is complex and expensive, and the presence of rhodium isotopes requires a period of cooling storage for multiple half-lives of the longest lived isotopes. about 10 years. Rhodium in electronics. Rhodium is much harder than platinum and palladium, typically 800 to 1000 HV with an electrical conductivity of 38% IACS. This makes it most electrically conductive of platinum group metals. It is also exponentially corrosion resistant, although it is also brittle when plated. Hence, it is widely used in electronic fields. Potential drawbacks of plating with rhodium. The biggest disadvantage of choosing rhodium for electroplating is its relatively high cost. Because of its scarcity, rhodium can be more expensive at times than other precious metals such as gold or silver, although prices can vary widely. Rhodium is used in jewelry also. Rhodium can be used to protect precious pieces of jewelry made of silver and gold, as well as silverware. Rhodium's physical appearance and durability make it an excellent candidate for plating softer metals. Electroplating is the process of permanently applying rhodium to the surface of other metals. Rhodium is also used in optics. Optical systems use mirrors in order to change the direction of light. This can help make optical systems smaller. Mirrors used in these systems are coated in metal to make the surfaces reflective. The type of metal used will depend on the application. The facts about the rhodiums are: it is an alloy of rhodium, platinum, used in heart pacemakers. Rhodium is resistant to most acids. Rhodium metal is rarely used by itself and almost always as an alloy. All rhodium compounds are easily reduced or decomposed through heating to create powder. It is also used to store sun's energy. In such study, a chemical process that uses sun's thermal energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into high energy fuels. This chemical process involves a new material combination of cerium oxide and small amount of rhodium as catalyst. Their discovery is a major step toward the chemical storage of solar energy. Their new findings are published in the journal Energy and Environmental Sciences. Thank you.